problem with Twitter is that there are so many people tweeting that your tweets may get lost in all the other hundreds or thousands of tweets there are per day. I don't know how many tweets there are per day, but the problem is when if you are following hundreds or thousands of people, if Mr. Joe Smith sends out a tweet, it's possible that you may not even see his tweet because his tweet will get buried down along the list of tweets. Because whenever someone tweets, the newest tweet shows up at the top of your Twitter account. Okay, and with each new tweet, that other tweet will just be brought down to the bottom of the page. So you may not see everybody's tweets, and your tweets may not be seen by most people. So one way around this is to repeat your tweets. You may want to do that same tweet a couple days later at a different time. You could do it a following week. Another thing you could do too is to reword it. So maybe it could grab more attention or people don't think that it's the same tweet. You could highlight a benefit in that tweet if you're tweeting towards an article that you wrote or an affiliate product. You could also add an image to make it appear as if it's a different tweet. But basically, the key here is to repeat your tweets. So just to make sure that people are seeing your tweets.